fine. For the same reason me and you were standing up.
I see about 20 cop cars coming.
Now there is.
Where? I don't see one. Oh, here they
Now
come.
there is, right there.
Oh, he's on the ground. Oh,
I just was reading about.
I wonder what happened.
Well, at least he's being cooperative.
No, he's being very cooperative.
Yeah, that's good.
They didn't tase him. Is that what that yellow thing is? That's what I assumed. Oh, my back hurts.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck as we sort through this, apparently that individual approached the aircraft from the outside and tried to gain entrance to the aircraft. That's the information we have now. We are surrounded by law enforcement right now. They've apparently apprehended this individual right now. We see